The transport's falling hard in today's sell-off. The IYT ETF, which tracks the group, dropping more than 2%, posting its worst day since August. And check out shares of the airlines hitting some major turbulence. American, United, Delta, and Alaska Air can't give up.
You had to do that? Did you have to do that?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Well, well done by you.
Some of the worst performers in the group. Is this a sign of more headwinds ahead? And we had talked about Delta before, because Delta lowered its Q3, lowered its full year, didn't have any of the 737 MAX exposure that the others had, and yet here they are in this position where they're having to take down guidance.
So this guide was fine, as far as I'm concerned. There was nothing terrible about this. Maybe there was some slightly higher cost or chasm as we get into 2020. People are always concerned about overcapacity for airlines. So as we get on a day and the 2-day move, which was based upon cyclicality and the broader economy, and airlines would certainly be a place you'd see sensitivity. Delta's 2-day 9% move, at least peak to trough, probably closed in about 7% down 2 days. I think that's an opportunity. I don't know if you have to buy it tomorrow, but it's traded between 50 and 60 like clockwork for the last whatever. So as you get down near the bottom of that range, I think it's worth owning at that valuation.
The bigger, though, signal from the transports as a whole would be quite negative.
Is that what you're doing here?
If one is a Dow theorist, then yes, they would be quite dour
for the markets. This is quite possibly one of the worst charts.
Oh, man, I knew it was coming.
The Dow Transport is down 15% from its September 2018.
Worst chart you've ever seen.
Worst charts in the market right now.
What's worse, retail or transports?
Or the transport?
This is probably worse.
Transports.
I think that, and it's really, this 9,500 support level is massive. If we lose that, there goes your Dow. We're getting old-timey with the Dow theory.
Right, old THYME or whatever.
I mean, it's worth noting UPS has outperformed. You compare it to FedEx. FedEx is down 12%. UPS is up 18% year to date. But going back to May, UPS was holding an uptrend, and it just broke the uptrend in the last couple of days. So that's something to keep an eye on. Wait till it gets back above that level. But it seems like UPS is doing all the right efficiencies and procedures and everything they need to do to combat FedEx and possibly a slowing consumer.
Can we bring up this chart? I mean, it's probably instructive for our audience.
Yeah, the IYT. This is the worst chart in the whole world.
But if we show that, can I get a 2-year chart on this? Because it's important to see that actually the IYT at around 175 multiple times over the last 2 years has found very good support.
It's done nothing.
Doesn't mean it's done nothing. And yes, it's absolutely pulled back. And it's been all right. So worst chart you've ever seen. If that's as bad as it gets, give me some of that pain.
You're mischaracterizing. It's one of the worst charts in the market right now. Do you understand the difference? It's not the worst chart I've ever seen.
Sorry, man.
It acts so badly.
There's a 5-year.
Coming up against a really interesting support level.
Okay.
And it underperforms.
I think it's important when we make hyperbolic statements that we actually chalk it through.
And there it is. There it is.
Dan's point. Look, it's been a very extreme move in the last 3 days, for sure.